Hi everyone. In this video, you'll learn how to automatically add a spreadsheet row in Google Sheets whenever a new record is created in Zoho People using Klamp. Let's get started. Click on Create Klamp. Select the source app as Zoho People. Select the trigger event as New Record. Choose or add a new connection. Under Setup Trigger Action, select Employee. Run a test to ensure the trigger is working correctly. Select the target app as Google Sheets. Select the target event as Create Spreadsheet Row. Choose an account. Under Setup Trigger Action, map the fields as shown. Once the mapping is done, click Complete. Click Save Klamp. Click Activate. That's it. You've created a workflow to automatically add a spreadsheet row in Google Sheets whenever a new record is created in Zoho People. Ready to build more powerful automations? Head over to your Klamp dashboard and start connecting your apps today.